Hey everybody! Thank you so much for taking the time to check out Guaranty's website. My name is Jason.Fairchild, and today I'm going to take you over the 2021 Roadtrek Play. It's a brand new van for us. I'm excited to show it to you. Follow me inside. All right, here we are inside the Play. What a cool layout. So this has got the twin beds in the back, and it opens right up to the outside there with the both double doors letting in lots of fresh air. You do have a screen package back there and on the side door, so you can close that off to the bugs and still have fresh air coming in. Both those beds are adjustable, so you can lift up the head if you want to kind of lounge back there, maybe play on the laptop. As we move forward, you can see we've got lots of storage here. We've got a good sized fridge with a large drawer below the fridge, good for pots and pans. Across from that, we've got our microwave, our little 2-burner stove, and we've got a nice little sink here. And good storage below, 2 large cabinets. We've got a extended countertop too we can use if we need a little more prep space. On the other side, next to the refrigerator, we do have a large pull-out pantry, which people seem to just love this. It's a very thoughtful idea. You can get a lot of stuff in there, and it's just nice the way it tucks right in and out of the way. Up front of that, we do have, pardon me, we do have a wet bath here with the shower and toilet combination. Plenty of room to get in there, so nice functional bathroom area. Above that, we've got a fantastic fan here to help keep it smelling fresh and keep the air fresh inside here. And in the cab area, we've got some storage above, and we have a place for a table up here in the front if we want to eat up here, and use the back for the sleeping area. Hey everybody, thank you so much for spending time and watching this video with me today. Again, it was the 2021 Roadtrek Play. My name is Jason.Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057 with any questions you may have. Look forward to talking to you soon.